Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we'll be learning how to cross the river safely.
So let's get right to it. So today we're going to demonstrate 3 ways on how to cross a river.
And to help us demonstrate those ways, I've hired my brother, Sam. Way number 1 is the stick method. So we're going to do this. We have to get a stick first. Boom. So in order to cross the river using the stick method, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of use our stick as a third foot. So we're going to face upstream and kind of use our stick for balance so we don't fall and get swept down the river. So as you guys notice, I'm facing upstream, so I don't get swept off my feet as easily as I would be facing downstream. And also so I can see if there's any logs or loose barges coming down to hit me. I made it! So our second way involves a rope. So our first step involves tying a bowline around a person, but in this case, Jack. So now Jack crosses the river while someone strong holds onto the rope. Alec, step aside. Thank you, Alec. What a nice guy. So now, while Jack is crossing the river, we gotta hold on to the rope. So if he slips and falls, then I will catch him. And don't wrap your wrist around the rope, because then you'll cut off circulation. And we don't want that to happen. So now that Jack has crossed the river, Jack is going to tie the rope off to something really strong. So now that Jack has tied the rope off to something strong, now Alec can cross, while the strongest person, which is obviously me, can hold the rope. So now the last person is the only one here. Then they're gonna tie, like the first person, a bowline. Very strong, very heavy, very heavy. There we go. Got a big one. Yay!
Alright guys, so for the third method, you're going to need 2 friends. This is called, well, what I call the circle method, because you're going to tie your rope into a circle and it's going to be just over double the width of the river that you are crossing. So we'll go ahead and tie the 2 ends together. Now, each friend is going to grab a piece of the rope. Here you go, friends.
Thank you, Alec.
And you're gonna have 2 anchors on shore. So the first person is gonna start walking out into the river and holding their piece of rope. So now if I happen to lose my footing and float away, they've got me anchored. But hopefully I don't. So now that I've made it across, the person who is on the downriver side is gonna start crossing. So now that we've got 2 anchors on the opposite side of the river, we're going to have our third person begin to cross.
So if you are crossing the river and you happen to lose your grip or happen to fall, you want to float downstream with your feet in front of you, so if you hit a rock or any tree stump, you can push off and not hit it with your body.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning 3 ways to cross a river.
That's Sam. I'm Jack.
I'm Alec.
Be nimble, be quick.
Stay wild, and we'll see you next time. Well, I hope you guys learned.
I have learned. Right now.
Well, I go.
So now that Jack has crossed the river, we are going to. Alec, I think I should do this. Okay, guys. So the way.